Hello everybody and welcome to Ugly Dog Lures. Project time. This is a 1975 Starcraft V-hull aluminum. I'll have to look on the deal and see whether it's 16 or 18, but I think it's going to be an 18-foot boat. This was given to us by a very dear friend of ours, and we're going to do a whole project on it. We're going to rebuild the whole boat, and I hope y'all join us on this journey. So let's take a little look at the boat here. So during this journey that we're going to be taking, every rivet will be checked. If it needs replaced, they will all be replaced. We're going to gut the whole inside of this boat. Melissa's insisting that I buy a new motor, but I want to rebuild the 85 horse Johnson on here. Y'all give me a comment and let me know what y'all think ought to happen. New motor's 10 grand, I can rebuild that one for 1200 if I do it myself, me and my buddy. So this is the boat. Everything in this boat is coming out all the way down to the, everything is coming out. All the way down to the ribs of the boat, windshields, everything is coming off this boat. I will be not putting the windshields back in this boat. I'm going to build a platform up here on the front, and there'll be a raised back seat up here. There's going to be a center console in this boat. Then I'm going to put about a 50-gallon live well in this boat. If you come on back around here, the trailer is a tilt trailer. We will redo this whole trailer. All the bumpers, guards will be replaced. Everything will be replaced. All new rollers, everything will be new on this boat. There is a few things, just because of the nostalgia of the boat, that I'm going to keep. I'm going to keep the horn because Melissa said I had to. I'm going to keep these rails just because of the nostalgia of them for us. If you come back around here now, all these bumpers will be new. I'll put all new lighting all the way through the boat, all new lighting all the way through the trailer. I'm going to put LED lighting on both just because I like it and it's brighter. Transom. The transom is not in bad shape, but once that we get deeper into this boat, this build, rebuild, whatever you want to call it, I will look at the transom and decide then whether I want to replace the whole transom in this boat. 85 horse Johnson. The motor was running when they parked the boat, so I don't think it's going to take much other than I'm going to buy a prop. I'm going to take the bottom end out of this, replace the impellers, and put new oil in it. And I'm going to probably run synthetic oil in it. That way it'll run cooler on the lake. It's really my own personal thing there. It's going to be such a fun build. All new rollers will be put on here. You'll have all new rollers on the trailer. Like I said, all new lighting. All the wear bearings will be packed. All the tires will be changed and have new tires on them. But she can come over here and shine that crazy old camera in this boat. You can see what kind of shape it's in and what all I'm going to have to do. None of these seats will be here anymore. They're all going to the dump. Every one of them. There'll be a seat for the driver and a seat up front, and I may put a little bench across right here. Is what I'm going to do. So, but this is an Ugly Dog boat. The whole boat will be repainted. It will no longer be blue. And I haven't decided on what colors yet, but I do know that the Ugly Dog stuff will be in this boat somewhere because it's an Ugly Dog boat. So, but that's pretty much our little project we got coming up. We'll be filming this, and I hope y'all take this journey with me every step of the way. So you folks have a very blessed day, and I'll catch you later.